I need a good idea.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Caleb, and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be playing Floppy Bird. So let's get straight into it. I'm already doing good already. Or not. Or not.
Yeah. So we're gonna go a bit. Then we're gonna no balls. We're gonna no balls. No balls. We're gonna no balls.
Shut up, Joe. No one cares about narwhals.
No balls. No balls.
Inventors of the shish kebab. Okay. My score's 13. Shh. Shh. So apparently, I wanted to make a Flappy Bird video, but apparently they Joseph!
Huh?
Please shut up. Joseph, can you please stop? Joseph, can you please stop? So, anyway, I wanted to make a Flappy Bird video, but apparently they uploaded, jeez Louise. Joseph, I'm trying to make a video here.
You're mean.
Alright guys, I'm just gonna cut the video for a sec. Hey guys, so I'm back. What I was trying to say is that I wanted to make Flappy Bird, but apparently they... Ow!
Excuse me.
Okay, fine. I'll scoot you. Ow! Stop it. So yeah, apparently they what's it called? Oh yeah, they updated it. So now it's called Floppy Bird. So now it's called Floppy Bird, and with better animations and stuff. My high score is 13 so far, so I gotta try and beat that. Yes! Darn it. Joseph, quit throwing.
I want to make for me.
What?
I want milk for me.
You're making milk?
No, I want to make for me.
Oh, you're making it for you? Little brothers.
I want to get orange and purple and apple again.
Whatever you say, Joseph. Whatever you say. I'm just gonna squeeze that bird.
Oh, this is ball.
I'm not getting mad,
Oh,
if that's what you're thinking.
oh, this is ball.
I noticed that the Flappy Bird doesn't have those big lips anymore. Joseph! You're causing a commotion, 'cause you're not even awesome. Joseph, going cooking some fake food. Pretty big and pretty wide. We beat Caleb in a fight.
Get a spoon. Get a spoon back. Get my spoon back.
Joe.
What's my spoon?
Cooking some fake food. causing a commotion because he is not awesome. Shut up! Shut up! Short orb! Short orb!
Can't go. I can't go. God.
Hey!
Don't.
Don't what?
Cause I'm trying.
You're trying to what?
I'm trying.
What are you trying to do?
Again. I did it.
Dumb bird. I need to beat my high score. I don't know what it is, but I need to beat 16. Joseph, shut up! I want to beat 16. Ten more. I don't know more. I'm too lazy to do math. Joseph, shut up. I almost threw my phone. Oh, I was just about to say, oh yeah, I got this. But then I remembered that was bullcrap. Yeah. Ah, I totally got through. Hi.
Hi. He's fine.
Tee.
Tee-hee. Tee-hee. Oh God, ow.
I can't even beat one. Oh, I got this. Right when I said it. Oh my. Okay. Stay cool. Stay calm, Caleb. Ah! I'm gonna cry. What if I could go over the pipes? They updated it so you can't go over the pipes. You'd still die if you do that, but... Stay calm.
Baba, I'll get hair shampoo.
What?
I'll get hair shampoo.
No, I don't want to get hit with shampoo.
Yeah, it's fun.
No, it's not.
What's this?
Oh, thank you. That feels so nice.
What about your hair?
Yeah, I love my hair. Okay, guys, this might have to be the end of this video. If you liked it,
Another one?
make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you might want me to play next. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.